Alright guys, I got a Toyota Sienna here. The problem with this car is the fan, the blow motor, there's no air coming out there. So if you heat or AC, you determine that you have no air coming out the vents, or if you are putting the blow motor here on a high speed and the blow motor works, but on the rest of the speeds it will not work. So the problem there is a blow motor resistor. So let's say you put it on 3, let's say you put it on low, high, medium, but on the high it will work, but the rest of the speeds it will not work. That will indicate to you that your resistor is bad. Resistor is down here. Also blow motor is down here. Sometime I want to show you a trick. Sometimes if the blow motor does not work, you can hit it. Okay, I've done that so many times, and a lot of times the blow motor just comes right on. So very simple. This is the blow motor right here. If you hit it right here, see this little guy right here, this is the blow motor. So put the key on accessory, put your speed on high. Okay, try high. High is the best place to do, because that's direct. Let's say your resistor is bad, at least now you know the power is still coming anyways. You can just hit it right here softly like that, and sometimes that blow motor will come on. Also, you could check power and ground to this cable. But today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the blow motor resistor on this Sienna. So this is about like a $40 piece. I do not have the new one, I'm waiting on it, but I decided to make a video. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna push on this connector here, and you're gonna remove this connector, which is not so easy to do. So I'm gonna go get a flathead to push that connector in. All right, let me go get that. All right, so I'm back with my flathead here. I have something very simple. Anyways, we're gonna go down there again. Hopefully my camera can see all this, because there's no way for me to tell if my camera is angled properly. Okay, so you push down on that and the connector comes right out. All right, let's push this to the side here. So what we have here is you got 2 little Phillips head screws, if you can have a screwdriver. Okay, if you do need to remove this cover right here, if you want to remove it, so what you're gonna do is simply, these are very soft, you might have to put a finger on it while you're turning it. This is what I hate about these little guys. So I'm gonna have to put my camera down. So all you need to do is hold this and turn that in the center. Since it's turned, the whole thing's turning with it. You see how I have that out and that comes out? And on this side you have the same thing here. If you can hold, let me see if I can get this on the camera. Yep, I think I can get it if I move it a little bit up. There you go. So I'm gonna put my finger right here and I'm gonna turn from right there, and it's gonna pop open, and this comes right out. So these 2 clips are what's holding this cover in, and after that, oh wow, I just realized this clip did not need to come out. It's okay, let's put it back. All right, so it comes right out. Now you'll have more room right down here, and then you should be able to turn this screw right here. I like to notice how I always take off the harder screw first, because the easier screw is going to hold it in place for you so nothing moves around. Okay, there you go. And then we have another one. You will get tired, catch a cramp, so take it easy and take your time. Whew, I'm tired. Okay, screws out. and the blow motor resistor is coming right out. There you go. There's our resistor. Usually these will go bad and they will not work. Your blow motor will not work. And that's it. I'm gonna put this, I'm waiting on a new piece, but I want to show you how to put this back together. And it's gonna be a very simple procedure. You do need to hold it with one hand and get the screw in. That's the only complicated part on this, okay? Alright, so once you have a new piece, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your blow motor resistor, you're gonna stick it back in the same position just like that, okay? But it's gonna try to fall out, so if you can, try to take your screw with it. I'm recording, so I'm holding my camera with one hand, so that's the only problem with me, because I need to hold this little guy. So once I have it in place, I could just turn it really quick, and then I could take my second screw, put that in the spot, and there we have it. All I need to do is tighten this little guy. This is so soft, you don't even need like a tool for it, only to loosen it up, to put it back. You can tighten it with hand. There you go, nice and tight. Make sure you take your connector. Okay, rewrite it back. I got it looped around this little guy right here. You take this little guy and push it all the way. All right, that's it. Make sure you put your cover back here. Stick this cover back in. And close that. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share and like.